Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up MT4 multiple accounts on your iOS device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 platform. Once MT4 is open, you'll see the main interface. To log into multiple accounts, go to the setting at the bottom right corner of your mobile device. After that, tap on your existing account. It will navigate to the Accounts area, where you can see that you are already logged into an account. To add multiple accounts, tap the plus button. Select Login to an existing account. Now search for IS6 within the MT4 app. This will display options for IS6 Technologies Demo Account and Live Account. To log in, enter the login ID in the login field, your password in the password field. Tap the Sign In button. You are now logged into multiple accounts on MT4 and ready to start trading. Congratulations, you have successfully set up multiple accounts on MT4 on your iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!